Hey, welcome to this tutorial on our class's policy requiring that you write your major assignments using Microsoft Word in your MyTCC OneDrive account. In this video, you'll learn what's expected of you and how to complete assignments using Word and OneDrive. The purpose of this policy is to inhibit intentional plagiarism or cheating and to protect honest students from charges of cheating. Three things are required of you. First, that you write, edit, and save papers using Microsoft Word in your MyTCC OneDrive. Please don't use Google Docs, Apple Pages, or any other app to draft your papers. Second, that you upload a PDF from your OneDrive file for peer reviews or workshop submissions. And third, that you upload a PDF and a link to your document on OneDrive in your final draft submissions for the professor, me. You'll be instructed when this policy is required for an assignment. It's not required for discussion boards or blog posts. It's only required of major written assignments like essays. Please pay attention. A 0 will be awarded to you for assignments not following this policy when it's required. I can't award points if you don't give me the ability to verify that AI wasn't used in drafting your paper. Again, if you submit an assignment not following this policy when it's required, you will receive a 0. You must use one Word document saved on OneDrive throughout your entire writing process. This is how it works. First draft through final draft. Again, do not write in another app and then copy and paste into Word or OneDrive. The reason why is that your document's metadata will show me the entire process of your writing from beginning to end. And if there's any suspicion of you intentionally plagiarizing, this will be the evidence that proves that you actually wrote your paper. Plus, since OneDrive automatically saves as you write, you can rest assured that your paper won't ever be lost or accidentally deleted. Now here's how to do it. To create your document, sign into MyTCC and click OneDrive. Click the Create or Upload button, then scroll and select Word document. Your new document is ready for your writing. After you've created your document, click in the document name box at the top of the screen to rename it. Name the file something that clearly identifies the assignment so you'll know what it is after you close it and return to it. Naming it some variation of the class and the assignment name is a good idea. OneDrive automatically saves your file as you write, so you never have to worry about saving your work. Remember that it is crucial to use this document that you created to write and edit your whole paper from first draft to final draft. All your metadata showing your work will be saved inside this document. If you use another app or create a new document, it will not have the entire history of your versions, and that's what I need to see. When it's time to submit your paper, you must export it as a PDF file. Click File in the top left menu of your document. Scroll and select Export. Click Download as PDF. And finally, click Download. Your PDF will be saved to your computer. You will upload this PDF to the activity on Blackboard asking for your assignment submission. For peer reviews or workshops where you and your classmates are giving feedback on each other's papers, submitting a PDF is all you have to do. However, when submitting your final draft to the professor for grading, you must submit the PDF and a link to your file on OneDrive. Let's look at how to share a link to OneDrive now. First, Click the Share button in the upper right corner of your Word document. Next, scroll and select Copy Link. In the pop-up window that appears, click Settings. You'll need to allow access for me to use the link. Do this by changing the permissions from the default setting, which is only people with existing access, to people in Tulsa Community College. That lets me use the link to see your document. When it's time to submit your final draft for grading, go to the Blackboard activity instructing you to submit a final draft. Click View Instructions. In the text box, paste the link to your OneDrive file that you just copied. In the section below the text box, drag and drop or upload your PDF file. Wait for Blackboard to accept your file, and it's done when your PDF appears like this image. Finally, just click the Submit button in the bottom right corner. And you're finished. Now you and I can rest easy knowing that if there are any concerns about intentional plagiarism, we both have access to the evidence in your document. Good luck.